Today I'll be showing you how to replace your BMW gear shifter with a carbon fibre one in the easiest possible way. It will literally only take a couple of minutes or less. So what you will need is obviously the replacement gear cover. I personally like the gloss carbon fibre one with the M Sport centerpiece. This one actually comes with a tool which makes things so much easier when removing your current gear shifter. It prevents damaging anything and it literally takes seconds to take off, instead of messing around trying to use multiple screwdrivers to remove it. I'll leave an eBay link down below where you can buy this exact gear shifter, which comes with the tool and centerpiece. Or if you want, you can just use the one that you've purchased elsewhere. So next you will also need a T8 screwdriver. Just grab it from Amazon using the link down below. And lastly, you need some kind of sharp tool like a toothpick or small screwdriver. If you aren't going to buy the gear shifter and tool I mentioned earlier, you will need something that's sharp. So you first want to get your sharp tool and you want to go around the edges of the gear stick and pretty much pry it up, and you'll start hearing the tape tear away from the actual gear stick. And once you've actually done that, it will just come off like so. Once you've done that, you can just put it aside, and next you want to remove the screw as shown here. Just use your T8 screwdriver to unscrew this, and there we go, it's taken off, and the silver part will now come off with the parking button, as you can see. So now we just want to put the silver bit aside, and you can leave the rubber piece and the button alone. And if you take your parking button, you can put that aside as well, and make sure you put your screw somewhere safe. It's now a good idea to clean your gear stick because it's probably filthy, and once you've done that, get your carbon gear stick cover. So now you're going to put your parking button behind it so it sits nicely, and now you're going to just fit it to your gear stick, and it's not going to be secure yet because we haven't screwed it in, but just roughly do it. And start pressing the parking button to make sure that clicks down alright. So just click that a few times, and once you've done that, you can now put in the screw using the screwdriver. Make sure it's nice and tight and give it a wiggle to make sure it's not moving anywhere. And now we're going to move on to the M Sport centerpiece. Now if you have bought this from the link I provided, it will have some adhesive on the back. If you didn't, you just want to make sure it has some sticky stuff on the back, as it is normally stuck on with tape. So simply with this, we can just now peel the backing off, and you will now see the tape. And to put this on, it's quite simple. What I would recommend is putting it on loosely to begin with, so you can move it if needed, so you can get it in the perfect position. And once you're happy with it, just go ahead and press down on it to make sure it's securely stuck to the gear stick. Unless you use this tool, this will never come off again. And that is how simple it is to install this mod. If this video did help you, give it a like rating, that would be great. Thank you for watching, see you next time.